Hello there Year 4s, it's Mr Conway here. Now for today's how-to guide, we're going to be looking at Day 3 Maths, and this is interpreting pictograms. So this lesson is following on from your lesson yesterday on My Maths. So here we have a pictogram, and the title is Favourite Colour. And I've got the different colours here. I've got red, blue, green, yellow and pink. And on the side here, I've got like a little key, and it tells me that for every red counter, the value of that one red counter is 2 children, so I've put a 2 in there already. Looking at the blue counters, one blue counter is worth 2 children 2. One green counter is worth 2 children 2. One yellow counter is worth 2 children, and one pink counter is also worth 2 children. So each counter has a value of 2. Now, if I go to my pictogram, the first thing I want to do before I start answering any questions about this pictogram is I just need to calculate the values. And once I've calculated the values for each colour, then I better answer the rest of the questions. So, in this scenario, the children have been asked what is their favourite colour, and these are the number of votes. So let's count how many children voted red as their favourite colour. Now, I've already noticed that for every one counter, that's the same as 2 children. So what I'm going to do is simply going to put a 2 in here, a 2 in here, 2 in here, and a 2 in here. And then I'm going to put a total at the top. So I'm going to count up in 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 children voted red. Now let's have a look at the blue. You'll notice something slightly different about the blue this time. Blue is still worth 2 children, so I'm going to put a 2, 2, 2, but this time I've got half a counter in here, half a circle. So what number do you think I put in here then, Year 4s? Will it be a 2? No, I don't think it will be a 2 because there's not a whole circle in there. I've got a half a circle. It must be 1, so I'm going to put a 1. So when I see the half, that's just 1. 2, 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. So blue had 7 votes. Now let's look at green. We've got that other half circle again. Green is worth 2, so I'm going to put 2, 2, then a half, which would be 1. 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 children voted for green. Now let's look at yellow. What do you notice about the height difference here? Can you have a prediction now? Do you think this is going to be a greater number than red, blue and green? Let's find out. 2, 2, 2, 2, and a half is 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 1, 9. It is. You can see there's a difference there. Actually, compared to the red one, it's 1/2 a counter more, which is just 1. Finally, pink. Pink is worth 2 still, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6. So now I've worked out the value for red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. I can now start having a look at some of these questions. So for one of the questions, it might ask you, what was the least favourite colour of these children? Well, the least favourite colour will be the colour that has the smallest value of votes. So I've got 8, 7, 5, 9 and 6. It must be green. Green was the least favourite. So which is the most favourite? Which was the colour that everyone preferred? Well, that would be the greatest number. And in this pictogram, 8, 7, 5, 9, 6, 9 is the greatest number. Yellow would be the most favourite colour. But what if I ask you a question such as how many fewer children chose green than blue as their favourite colour? Now the word fewer, if you ever see the word fewer in a question, you know the operation, I'm going to put the operation in brackets, will be a subtraction. So we're going to be looking at subtraction now. How many fewer children chose green than blue? Well, let's have a look at the values of this. Blue is worth 7. Green is worth 5. Because I'm working with fewer, it's going to be subtraction. So I'm going to do 7 subtract 5, and I'll get an answer of 2. So there you are, Year 4s. That's just to help you interpret scaled pictograms. I highly recommend working out the value of each pictogram before you even start any questions, because once you've worked out the value, the rest of the calculations will be very simple for you to do. Other than that, Year 4s, have a lovely day with your pictograms, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.